Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Zulkhairi and my ID number is EC19097. I'm going to present for the test 2 of the microcontroller programming and interfacing, which I got a set 2 for the test 2, which is to make the automatic box filter machine. Okay, we will start with the coding here, where the first part of the coding here is to make a declaration, which we make the declaration for the LCD, the servo motor, the ultrasonic sensor, and the RGB LED. And here, this is the board setup to set up the pin to the Arduino Uno. For the first phase of the program, we need to make our ID number blink accordingly with a display of ID number is here. So for my ID number EC19097 is here, it will blink for 7 times. Here is the setup for the RGB LED, and then here the void loop, we start the second phase of the program, which is on the second line of the LCD, it will display the word size and uh, the number of the size in centimeter for 1 second. And then here is the calculation for the ultrasonic distance. And then we start the third phase of the program, where we need to coding accordingly based on our ID number. For mine, here is when the size of the box is less than 17 centimeter, it will display the size of the box, and the RGB LED will be in cyan color. The servo motor will rotate to 180 for 3 seconds, and then it will rotate back to 90 degree. If the size of the box is more than 22, it will display the size of the box in the LCD. The RGB LED will be in white color. The servo motor will rotate to 0 degree for 3 seconds and then rotate back to 90 degree. If the size of the box is between 17 to 22 centimeter, it will display the size of the box. The RGB LED will be in magenta color, and the servo motor will stay at 90 degree. First, I will compile this to get the file to simulate in Proteus. So here is the schematic design for the Proteus, where I will show to simulate here first. So then I will start the simulation. Now for the first phase, the blinking of the LCD for 7 times, which is my ID number is here, EC19097. Okay, then this is starting the second phase, which will show the size at 2 decimals in centimeter. Okay, now this is when the size of the box is less than 17 centimeter, which is 16.68 centimeter. The servo motor will be at 180 degree and the RGB LED will be at cyan color. After 3 seconds, it will rotate back to 90 degree. Then, when the size of the box is between 17 to 22, you gotta wait a while. Okay, then the RGB LED will change the color to magenta, which when the size is 18.2 centimeter, which is between 22 and 17 centimeter. Then for the last one is when the size is more than 22 centimeter. The first, the RGB LED will be in a white color, and the servo motor will rotate to 0 degree for 3 seconds, and then it will rotate back to 90 degrees. Alright, that is all from me. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum.